In 2003, Nelson Mandela granted the Kwe their own farm, a place they could finally call home. Marcus Jatembo is one of the community leaders.
Ons lewe van 'n ploeg. So hierdie was 'n gedeelte wat net nou skoon land en droog land gewees het. Dit is eintlik geskik vir ons gewees om te ploeg.
On farmland meant to preserve their culture, Marcus shows us a lake that has formed here over the past 7 years. At first, it appears to be a serene stretch of water, until he tells us it's a dam entirely filled with sewage, dumped here by the Solplaatje municipality.
I've covered sewage in the streets all over the country, and I've seen what dilapidated treatment work plants and pump stations look like. But this is unlike anything I've ever seen.
And it keeps expanding, yet Platfontein doesn't even have a sewage network.
Ons wat nie dienste kry nie, ons wat nie vlastoilette het nie, hoekom sal rioolwater by ons plaas gegooi word?
Marcus says they're treated like the sewage on their land, cast aside by government because of who they are.
Die oudtydse regering het ons ouers gebruik gemaak om hulle te help veg. En dit is hoekom hierdie Suid-Afrika vir ons sien as vreemdelinge en vir ons die nodige dienste wil gee nie.
But the mess on the land isn't isolated. It's just a symptom of an entire network in freefall.
This is Goga Pump Station. It's where the sewage from Galeshewe comes to. Galeshewe, Kattersglen and all the other higher-lying areas comes to.
In Galeshewe, Kimberley's largest township, activist Tumelo Mosikari visits the pump station often and tells us the pumps haven't been switched on for a long time.
What are we going to see if we go in here?
A non-functioning pump station that has had millions allocated to it for its upgrade.
Okay, let me ask first before we go in. Hey, Toa.
The supervisor appears from the parking lot, insisting the pumps are working.
We just want to see if the pump station is working.
Yeah, it is working.
Oh, really?
I just come from there and I just switched it off now.
You switched it off now?
Okay. I'm actually on my way to go and start it again.
Inside, the only sign of repair or maintenance we see is a few railings being painted.
You can now access full episodes on DSTV Stream. Visit the DSTV website to find out how you can subscribe and get your carte blanche fix on the go.